friends, have you ever imagined why you get hiccups? While hiccups can be uncomfortable and irritating, they aren't anything to worry about. Hiccups is a reflex. It happens when a sudden contraction of your diaphragm causes the muscles of your chest and abdomen to shake. As a result, the part of your throat where the vocal cords are located closes. This creates the noise of air expelled from the lungs or the hic sound. Though there is no definite way to stop hiccups, as the remedy may work for some while not for others. But you can try breathing slowly into a paper bag to increase carbon dioxide in the lungs, which causes the diaphragm to relax. Or hold breath to increase the carbon dioxide level. Drink a glass of water quickly, or have someone frighten you, or else just have a teaspoon of sugar.